Join me as I dive into the world of Microsoft stock and try to predict if it's about to explode. Can I spot the signs before everyone else? Microsoft is a giant in the tech industry, with a market cap of over $2 trillion and a presence in nearly every aspect of our digital lives. From operating systems to cloud computing, Microsoft's products and services are used by millions of people around the world. With such a strong foundation, it's no wonder that investors are always keeping a close eye on the company's stock performance. The current market conditions have been challenging, to say the least. Rising interest rates, inflation concerns, and global economic uncertainty have all taken a toll on the stock market. Msft stock has not been immune to these challenges, experiencing some significant fluctuations in recent months. Investors have been worried about the impact of these macroeconomic factors on Microsoft's business, particularly in areas like cloud computing and software sales. Despite these challenges, Microsoft has continued to invest heavily in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cybersecurity. However, the question on everyone's mind is whether these efforts will be enough to drive the stock price higher. Some investors have been cautious, citing concerns about competition from other tech giants. Others have been more optimistic, pointing to Microsoft's strong track record of innovation and execution. The past few quarters have been a mixed bag for Microsoft, with some investors expressing concerns about the company's ability to maintain its growth momentum. Msft stock has had a relatively stable performance, but some investors are starting to wonder if the company can do better. After all, Microsoft has a history of delivering strong results, and some analysts believe that the current market conditions are creating an attractive buying opportunity. The recent earnings report was a bit of a wake-up call for investors, with Microsoft's revenue growth slowing down due to the tough macroeconomic environment. However, the company's cloud computing business continues to be a bright spot, with Azure revenue growing by over 30% year-over-year. This has led some analysts to predict that Msft stock could be poised for a breakout. So what's driving the potential for explosive growth in Msft stock? One key factor is the company's dominance in the cloud computing market. With Azure, Microsoft has established itself as a leader in this rapidly growing space, and many analysts believe that the company is well positioned to benefit from the ongoing shift to the cloud. Additionally, Microsoft's investments in emerging technologies like AI and cybersecurity are starting to pay off, with the company announcing several new products and services in these areas. Msft stock could be on the verge of a significant breakthrough, driven by the company's strong position in the cloud and its investments in emerging technologies. The recent earnings report was a reminder that Microsoft is not immune to the challenges of the current market, but the company's long-term prospects remain compelling. With a strong track record of innovation and execution, Microsoft is well positioned to drive growth and deliver value to shareholders. In summary, Msft stock has faced some challenges in recent months, but the company's strong position in the cloud and its investments in emerging technologies make it an attractive buying opportunity. The stock could be poised for a breakout, driven by the company's dominance in the cloud computing market and its potential for growth in areas like AI and cybersecurity. What do you think about Msft stock? Do you think it's about to explode, or are there more challenges ahead? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about the tech industry and stock market, be sure to check out our latest video analyzing the potential for growth in the semiconductor sector.